In this video, I'll show you how you can find the TikTok shop on your PC. Now, first step is you want to head over to TikTok right here. And instead of going directly to tiktok.com as you normally would, and like this is the official one, what you want to do is type in shop.tiktok.com instead, and you will come to this page. Now from in here, you can log into your account, or you can press get started if you wanna. And you can basically see everything like the TikTok shop in here instead of going to the normal TikTok website. From here, you can read everything. If you're a seller, creator, partner, affiliate, you can see everything, all the stats, whatever you want to see. So simply head over to shop.tiktok.com, press login, and that will take you to the TikTok shop. Now remember, you cannot do it from tiktok.com simply from in here. You need to go directly to the shop website. Now, if you don't want to type in the link, you can simply just go to Google and type TikTok shop, and this will be the first link that pops up as well. So that's basically how you can do it on PC, guys, and it's super simple. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.